Last video for our practice test on 8.4 and 8.5. Tell you what, we can definitely condense. As we look at letter A, we're adding two logs together. You can see down here when you're adding two logs together, you're going to multiply their insides. So this simply becomes natural log of x times y. We're done. That's all you have. When you take a look at B, first of all, let's raise up our powers. We'll have log of x to the third minus log of y to the second. But look at property number 2 down here. When you're subtracting two logs, you rewrite them as one log and you divide. You divide their insides. So this becomes the log of x to the third over y to the second, and we're done. Look at C. You can take the 1/2 and raise it up. That's really starting right over here at property 3 at the very bottom of the screen. You've got a number out in front, bump it up on top as a power. This becomes log base 4 of x to the 1/2, but a 1/2 power is really a second root. This is a square root. You've got the log base 4 of the square root of x. You don't even have to write the index in there. For the last one, letter D, always do what's inside parentheses first. We have to worry about that. And as we pay attention to that, we can say, well, bump that 3 up. We'll have the log base 2 of x. And then inside this parenthesis, we'll have log base 2 of y to the third plus log base 2 of w. And we're still worried about that inside portion right in here. And we actually can do some combining. We can do a little bit of work there to combine that. You can see the addition is property 1. So all I'm going to do is just apply this property. When you add the logs, you're going to multiply their insides together. This becomes y to the third times a w. But now you have two logs that are being subtracted. So that's this second property right here. This means I can turn this into a division of the insides. Of the log base 2, I'm going to make a fraction. I'll have x. Down below is both the y to the third and the w. So that's what your final answer is going to look like. And guys, that's our practice test.